something together using any color that you like. I like the soft blue here, and we're going to start making a sphere that is a ball. Okay, so we're going to go all sides. See? Here is my ball, and I will put it right here in the middle. Press it. You see how my shape gets here? Can you see your shape in your? Wow, interesting, right? Another one. Got a little piece here. I'm going to make a small ball here, not so big as the other one. All sides. One more. One circle, two circles. Did you finish yours? It looks like this. Show me. It looks kind of like mine. I like yours. Very good job. Now I'm going to press here. One circle, two circles. All together we have 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now I'm going to make this small one just using the point of my finger. Can you do that? Just with the tip of your fingers. This here. And now one even smaller. Look how tiny it is. This is too big. I can make smaller. Look. And now, do you guess what it is? Mickey Mouse! Now I'm going to make a little snake. And here I have Mickey Mouse. So nice. I hope you like it, and I see you for the next class.